Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. Dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women earring designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. You can see same color and combination also. You can see black, blue, red, yellow, green, purple, gray, white, off white, and many more colors. Stylish and most attractive collection in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy and most attractive collection for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing collection of crochet earring designs and others like crochet women, other jewelry like necklace designs and bracelet, finger rings, and feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and crochet women top designs, crochet women garter designs, skirts designs, and long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, and quarter sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder also. And you can see in this video and sorry, on my channel, different style, different ideas like baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, and women purse designs, bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers, curtains also. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can order and get amazing crochet earring designs of your choice. You can get amazing and stylish crochet earring designs from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.